Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
What's up, everybody? Aaliyah, go ahead and come up. Thank you. All right, what up, what up, what up? All right, we're getting ready to get up out of here. Kind of late, honestly. Get my haircut, and I underestimated the amount of time I was gonna need. And that was actually my fault because my ass was over here playing Assassin's Creed Shadows. And it's a really good game. It's a really good game, so. Try and decide. Where I going? That's what's up. Alright, I don't need my navigation to get there, but I was just trying to keep it up to see if there's any kind of closures or anything like that on the way. But in an attempt to take the full highway this time versus going the civilian scenic route, in an attempt to make up some time, at the same time trying to keep our distance and maintain our speed, because obviously we know they getting people. Make sure they stopping, bro. Look at that. Yeah, let them go, bro. Oh, it feels amazing. Feels amazing. There we go, baby. Oh! Feels really good out here. Wind is not too strong. Let's go, baby. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Yeah, so we're gonna hop on this freeway and then try to make up the time, just trying to make up, catch up to the traffic here, so I can make the light with cars and not have to be up at the nobody. Yeah, these bikes, man, super light. This bike is super light, bro. It's amazing how light it is. I just remember the excitement on my face and the disbelief when I first sat on this, coming off of my my Harley. I was just like, is this real? It's just so light, like between your legs. It almost feels fake. It's like, there's no way this thing can be this light. How's this thing has a 1000cc motor in it this light? You know what I mean? It's absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. This thing is fire. It's a 133. Appointment is at 145. We're not doing nothing too crazy, but I do want to get there. That's nice how they're building all this out. I actually like those Santa Cruzes, man. I wanted to get one. My wife said no. I'm kind of glad in a way, I'm kind of glad I didn't get it because it is pretty small compared to the vehicles that we got. But I really wanted one just because it's like a car truck. Like, I just really wanted one. My rear view camera, my monitor is failing. Damn it. It's failing. I didn't think it was going to be this much traffic, literally, honestly, on this road. Didn't think so. Oh, we got a Grom, boy. We got a Grom. I gotta get me a Grom, bro. I definitely gotta get me a Grom. Definitely gotta get me a Grom, bro. Practice on these wheelies and shit. What's good, bro? What's good? Oh, yeah, this is horrible. It's bad. I don't even, it's bad up there. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Oh, what they got going on up there? Yeah, they got something going on up there. So, I'm trying to be good. Everybody here is trying to be good. We try not to, I don't know if it's illegal to lane filter in Texas, because I just assumed it was since they stopped, since you can't lane split anymore. So I was been on my good behavior trying not to lane filter, but I need to find out if it's actually legal or not, because if it is, I'll filter right through the entirety of this mess. Yeah, he needs to be careful too, because he wants to go up to the front. I think that's what he was asking me. He was asking me, should we filter up front? And I'm just like, it looks really bad up there. I just don't really know. It's looking pretty.
Ready to get something a little bigger than the Grom.
What's up, boss?
Ready to get something a little bigger than the Grom. Man.
Oh, I need to pick up a Grom. It's like I want to be able to practice some stunts, some wheelies and stuff. I don't want to do it on this thing.
I will say this thing is really fun though.
It looks like it's a perfect bike if you want to. I feel like it's a perfect skills bike too. You can practice your skills really, really well on it, and it's a really good beginner bike too. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. Yeah, the Groms are like perfect, almost perfect commuter bikes, man. Especially if you're in an inner city, it's a perfect commuter bike. You don't need much more than that at all. It's a clean bike, and it helps. It honestly helps with skills, man. To me, it's a skills-based bike. And I want to get one so I can be able to practice wheelies. I want to be able to practice more technical stuff. And I won't be afraid of dropping it, because this thing, I'm afraid of dropping it, right? And it doesn't mean you can't practice. Sitting in traffic so long, I forgot how the hell the bike sounds. 42. Got 3 minutes to make it. My luck, we're probably going to get stopped by the damn train. Shit, I need gas too. I realized I needed gas as well. I felt like I just got gas, damn it. Basically, I did not plan out this this appointment very well. Let's just put it that way. I didn't plan it out very well, apparently. Didn't get gas, didn't get a bunch of shit. I was not prepared. So let's stop and get some gas. Bro, buddy. of you who don't remember, that one time I had to pull in here on my Harley, it ended up not being the best. It ended up not being for a good reason.